All right, so we're going to do something new to the channel. We're going to start unboxing Star Wars Lego sets. We're going to start off with a small one. Basically, we're going to go ahead and unbox them here on the channel, put them together, and then I'm going to take them apart, and then it's going to be something that my daughter and I can do together while we are self-isolating, with the stay-at-home order that we have on our state. Due to COVID-19. So basically, you can see that we're going to start off with a small one here. This is how Amazon decided to deliver it. I guess I can't complain because Amazon did actually deliver it. So what we're going to do though, let's go ahead and unbox it. Like I said, this is going to be a small one. I've got a much larger one to do here in the future, but I thought this would be a good one to start off with on the channel. So we can take a look and see if this is something that makes sense. And if it's something that you like, as somebody that subscribes to the channel, definitely let me know. So this is Star Wars Lego set. Let's see if we've got an actual name on it. The Mandalorian Battle Pack. And it's got 102 pieces. Mostly it's just a couple of Mandalorian figures and a bike. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Looks like the pieces themselves are in good working order, so that's good. What's in this box? Ooh, capes for the Mandalorians. Cool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing me put this Lego set together. It is a small set. It's only 102 pieces, and it is recommended for ages 6 and up. So a couple of cool things that I noticed while putting it together. First off, I knew nothing about this set before I bought it. It was just a really good deal on Amazon. So first off, we do have blasters, and if you watch, the blasters actually do work. Of course, that one didn't go very well. Let's try that one more time. Some of them were going better than others. Let's try 1, 2, 3. There we go. That one went really well. Nice thing is they did supply a good number of bullets, if you will. Some other things to notice too is that with your Mandalorians, they do have capes, which are cool. And then you have the option to include the rangefinder that does articulate up and down, or you can go with the visor as well, which then also goes up and down as well. So it's a pretty cool set. Definitely recommend maybe having some other Lego sets at the same time, because they're, this is again a very small Lego set. My next, if this does go well and people do like it, I will try yet another larger Lego set. This was a learning experience for me. Hopefully the overhead recording worked well. Assuming that does, then we will go ahead and put together the much larger Mandalorian set, the ATST Raider, which I'm really looking forward to putting that one together. I mean, really looking forward to working with my daughter on putting that together. So with that, if you are interested in this type of content, please give it a thumbs up or a like. This type of channel, this channel focuses on things that professional geeks would be interested in. So we do everything from Star Wars. Yes, we do a lot of Star Wars. We do Star Wars Black Series. But we also, when we are able to leave the house, we do go to theme parks. And we also do things with drones and other things as well. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, please subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.